We have this hugely talented and very, very pretty Lauren Gottlieb here in the Nishad Bagh of Srinagar with us. Welcome to Bollywood Hungama, first of all.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to Karachi. Are you enjoying all the fun that you're having in Kashmir so far?
Yeah, I feel like I'm getting this rock star treatment and going to all these temples and mosques and you know, seeing this beautiful garden here. So I don't know, it's just different. I've been living in Bombay for 2 years, and Bombay is like hugely populated and huge infrastructure, and this is peaceful. Like, this is where I would want to live.
As a creative person, you're a choreographer as well. Does it inspire you in a way as well? Do you come up with the steps or ideas that you can possibly do? Because it's a very different, once you're sorted, and it's like a spiritual trance space as well.
Actually, I think more than a choreographer, my choreographer mind is actually in a director. So I'm always seeing like, you know, like a DOP, I'm seeing the shot, I'm getting ideas around that and stuff. So yeah, everything inspires me, and being in India in general has been the most inspiring thing in my life because it's so far from anything I'd ever experienced. So every day I'm seeing something totally new. So how could you not get inspired from that?
You've coached the likes of Tom Hanks
Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise, sorry. Tom Cruise and Tobey Maguire and a whole lot of others, like be it Rihanna, Enrique. You've danced with all, which is like I think a huge achievement in its own way. So tell us something about your journey so far that you've had.
My journey is.
Have you taken training in dance?
Yeah, I mean, I trained since I was 7 years old, and I think my biggest words of advice to youngsters is to train, because since I got such good training, I worked my butt off. I've done everything. I've worked with almost every international artist. I've choreographed stuff. I've danced in movies, TV shows, like countless ones and stuff. So I could have only done that because I had a strong foundation. And because of that foundation, I actually got an opportunity to come to India, which is so far out of my comfort zone every day. I mean, to go on set and to say dialogues in a foreign language, I'm like sweating like before every take, because you want to do it right. And
are you learning Hindi? Are you learning Hindi?
I am learning Hindi, and it's becoming more and more comfortable right now because I'm understanding the culture. The first ABCD, I cannot tell you how crazy I felt. 10 days after being here, I was on set in a scene with Prabhu Deva. You know, he doesn't speak Hindi like as well and stuff, so that was okay, but still, like, I'm having to act and react in a language and a culture that I just don't know yet. So now that I know the culture, now it's coming much easier.
At the press conference today, one of the Kashmiri journalists, as you just came in, his reaction was that she is the second Katrina.
Wait.
Yeah, seriously. So do you take it as a compliment, or?
I take the comparison because she is so fabulous, and she's made it so far in her career. So for that comparison, I take as a compliment. But as per my journey and who I am, I'm not anyone else. I'm just me, and I don't think anyone has gone in the direction that I've gone. I think of coming from the West, and my friends think I'm totally crazy that I just up and left my life in the US and moved and became a Bollywood star. So yeah, no, it's really nice.
Maybe I think the comparison was for the fact that she's a British citizen as well, and she's a Britisher, and
no, that's what I'm saying. That because she's made it so far, like that comparison is really great. But I think personally, because I feel like I have my own journey, my own story. Like I'm Lauren. I'm not the next somebody. You know what I mean?
Absolutely, absolutely. This entire experience of you're known primarily as a dancer, but I think from whatever we've been told that you're also having like a performance element in Welcome to Karachi.
Yeah.
So does that give you high that apart from being a fabulous dancer, you're taken seriously as an actress now?
Yeah, I mean, that's what I always wanted. To be honest, in Hollywood, I was getting out of dance. I performed with every artist. I went on tours. I did TV shows. I did everything. So I had done it, and I wanted to move on and go into acting. In Hollywood, you can't be a dancer and an actress. It just doesn't work. Their actors aren't as talented. They can't do both. So I came here for ABCD, and that's when I started realizing, oh, you can't act without dancing. Like, this is my, like, you know, calling. This is what I was made to do. So I really truly feel it's destiny, and I get to do both. But because everyone has only seen my dancing, that's the only thing they know, you know?
Okay, so how much do you owe to Remo Fernandez?
Remo
D'Souza. I'm mixing up surnames.
I love it. You know,
there's a singer Remo Fernandez, right?
Yeah,
Go
no,
on.
there is.
Mixing of two. Yeah.
Raymond D'Souza, I find it so insane that he was sitting on his couch watching me on So You Think You Can Dance saying, I'm going to bring that girl to Bollywood. And he actually did.
Right.
And I feel even more insane that I actually took the offer because it's not easy to do that. So yeah, he gave me my first break here and he's been alongside my journey. You know, Chalak, he was there, ABCD2. So I feel grateful that I have him by my side.
All right, now somewhere when I met you yesterday, and your fingers started just playing the piano, and somewhere dance means much more to you than maybe like a profession somewhere. It is that is something that you truly love.
Dancing is like deep in my bones. You know, when people say she's such a fabulous dancer, I'm always thinking, why do they think I'm such a good dancer? Because honestly, there are many people in the world that dance really well.
Right.
But what I do is I bring that actress out in my dancing, so I can make you, oh my god. Oh my god.
Hello.
You look fabulous. Yeah, you just
Barged into your
totally came right. No, it's fabulous. Actually, if I think of dancing as a profession, it doesn't. It's not special anymore. Then it becomes a job. I think with your passion in life, whatever it may be, once it's a job, it's not as fun anymore, right? So here, and I put my acting ability in my dancing. So I can make you cry. I try to make you cry. I try to make you laugh. I try to make you. You know, feel sexy, this and that.
Yeah, exactly. I was coming to that.
Is that what you're coming to?
We've just had the man talk actually, so the entire La 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 Lori and the Shakira bit, I think.
Yeah, so it is deep
A
down.
lot of men
in my
identify with what our sentiments are.
Oh yeah,
You can't
okay.
blame us. Huh? Yeah, please
Good,
continue.
good. No, it is deep down in my heart. It really is. And in my whole life, I've made a success. I've made a career. I've become known and famous in 2 different countries for this. So it is the most special thing I have.
Now, Lauren, we are having like a rapid fire section with you, so
Okay.
we would want you to just enjoy
Okay, I'm
yourself.
so
and
bad
come
at
up
this,
with-
so let's do it.
Yeah, all right. This is what is the best and worst thing about Jackie Bhagnani?
Oh gosh, best thing is he's the most supportive person. The worst thing is he doesn't have anything bad about him. Okay, next question.
That's a very diplomatic
No,
answer.
it's actually not. I really tried.
Okay.
I wanted to say.
If Arshad or Jackie ask you out, who would you say yes to?
I have to answer this?
Yes.
Okay.
And no diplomatic.
No, that
diplomatically
last
correct.
one wasn't diplomatic. He
Okay.
honestly is
No,
is
he's
the
a nice
nicest
guy.
guy in the
He's a
world.
nice guy. That's
so
true.
for that, I would say Jackie.
If I can add to it, like what all does a man has to do to just impress you?
You have to make me laugh. If I'm laughing, if I'm having a good time, like you stole in my heart.
My God. So although people are out there, just make a note. Okay, if a man can't dance well, will that put you off?
No. Why? Because then I get to show off. Right?
You like showing off the dancing bit and everything?
It's fun. I guess. Yeah, it gets fun in that case.
So can we have the Shakira moment from you if possible? If
You
you're
want a
in the mood?
Shakira moment?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see the mic. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Shakira. Ha. Something like that.
Beautiful. That's amazing stuff. Okay, now what would you do if you wake up one day and realize you're in Karachi?
I'd probably go out and try their local foods and meet people and try on clothes. I'd probably become a big tourist.
Who is the hottest among the 3 Khans? That is Amir, Shah Rukh or Salman? Who is the hottest among the 3?
Salman.
Salman Khan,
Yeah.
okay. Alright, name the Bollywood actor who if he asks you for a date, you might faint.
I might faint. Okay, say. Oh, I have to name him. You're giving me choices. It makes no sense. Okay, who would I say? Okay, I have a huge crush. Oh, I can't believe I'm saying this. I have a huge crush because he's also the most talented person. Is Farhan Akhtar because he can do everything. He can produce. He can act. He can sing. He can dance. Like that's kind of how my journey is. So
Farhan Akhtar. Okay, Farhan Akhtar. I hope he's watching this. You go on a date and the guy
he
gets a.
married?
He's married.
Yeah, so don't watch. Okay, next question.
No, but you are fainting. You're not doing anything. Once you
Oh,
faint,
that's true.
how
That it
can you
doesn't
do
matter.
anything?
It's sweet. Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, I take it back. Watch.
Sentiment. Okay. You go on a date and the guy gets a bottle of wine but serves it in a katori. How would you react? That is like a bowl.
I'd say inventive. I would be totally up for it. I'm a very random person. Obviously, if you can't tell, I moved from my side of the world to the other side of the world by myself, so I'm up for anything.
So that's like a typical Gemini in a way?
Gemini?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a crazy Gemini to a T.
Right.
Yeah.
Which actress in Bollywood makes you feel jealous?
Jealous? I would say Alia Bhatt because I think she's cute, she's sweet, she's a great actress, she can dance, she can charm, and she's goofy as all hell. Like, you know, that goofy quality is kind of something that I have. So she's just too good.
If you were a product, what would be your punchline?
I was a product. Okay, wait. Okay, it's not a line, but this is the first thing that came to my mind, so I always go with the first thing that comes to my mind. Do you know the Pillsbury Doughboy? Have you ever seen this? I don't know if this is a product that ever came to India.
No, it has.
It has. So basically it's a big doughboy, and whenever you go like this, you go boom, it goes So that would be mine, like when I'm dancing and stuff, if someone does that, I would shimmy or something.
But you can't have a punchline.
That's not a punchline, it was just the first thing.
You're literally punching me actually. So
No, I wasn't. What are you saying?
Punchline. Sushant Singh Rajput, Jackie Bhagnani, name one word for them as dancers.
Like both of them together or one word?
One word for both of them.
Sushant Singh Rajput, driven. Jackie Bhagnani, blessed.
Okay, if you were to write a book on Jackie, what would it be called?
The hardest working man in the industry.
The hardest working man in the industry.
He's doing everything. If you can't tell in Welcome to Karachi, he is an actor. He is a producer's son, but he is also the producer of this film. So no one sees it, but he's trying to go in and do his lines, and he got brought into the film the last second. So he's having to do a new accent, play a character, live up to Arshad Varsi's comedic timing. But then at the same time, he's in that zone and everyone's coming to him with all these production questions. It's too much. It's too much to handle. So
you admire him as well. He respects
big
you.
Time. Yeah.
My God, nice admiration society, mutual admiration society. You guys have with each other.
Yeah, wow.
All right,
Good
so
friends here.
Lauren, thank you very much for being on Bollywood Hungama. That too in this beautiful Nishat Bagh.
Too pretty,
in Srinagar. All the best wishes for Welcome to Karachi, and looking forward to more stuff from you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.